banner that looks pro and only takes a couple of minutes. Let's jump into Canva and make one right now. So the first thing you're gonna wanna do is go into canva.com. So once you go into canva.com, you're going to click on create. So from here, you're gonna create a design. Now, we're doing YouTube banner. So you're gonna put in YouTube banner. Now, once you get here, you're gonna click on the YouTube banner. It already shows you the size that you want your banner. So 2560 by 1440. So you just click on that and then you can just begin your design. Now, the nice thing is you can just choose any design you wanna start with. Let's say we want to do something a little different. Let's say marketing YouTube banner. And we can just put that in there and it comes up with a nice banner ready to go. But here's the thing, if you just use this size in banner, it actually is not gonna fit all your devices. So you really want it in the safe zone. That's one thing that Canva doesn't have preset for you is the safe zone. So you're gonna wanna do that. So on every single device, it looks nice. Now at the end here, I'll show you a design that I did for one of my clients that you can maybe copy for your clients or copy for your own YouTube channel. The main thing on your channel is you really want to have in bold there exactly what your channel is about and then when you're gonna be posting videos as well. So let's go back and let's get it into the safe zone on Canva. So from here, what I wanna do is let's just say, let me just choose a different design here really quick. All right, so what we're gonna do here is we're gonna change this just a little bit to make sure it fits in the safe zone. Now that we're here, we wanna get this in a safe zone. So what you're gonna wanna do is go to File, Settings, Show Rulers and Guides. So once you have the rulers and guides, now we're gonna add in our lines. You can see I already put one at 2052, but we're still gonna need another one here to make sure it's in the safe zone. So when I click here, I'm gonna pull it to 508. So we'll get to 508 here. See, we have 508 and then 2052. Now these are gonna be your vertical lines. Then we're gonna do our horizontal lines. So the same thing, pull it over here. Then we're gonna scroll down to 931. It says 932, but we'll just leave it there for now. And then 509. So then we're gonna do it again and we're gonna bring it down to 509. So there, see, this inside here is the safe zone. Everything you do, you want it to actually be inside the safe zone. So inside this safe zone here, so it'll look just like this on any device. So let's say I wanted to customize this one. Now this is one I did for my client. Now, as soon as you're done, you can hit download and that's it. Download as a PNG. You can download as a JPEG. I just recommend just doing PNG and then uploading it there to your channel. So how you'd upload it is just change for you to be added, and then I'm just gonna add that YouTube banner, open, and then it's gonna open up right here. That way you have a YouTube banner, you know exactly when that person is uploading, and you can change it to however you want. Now, let's say for example, we just wanted to change up this design. You can see already it doesn't fit in the guides. Now, let's just say I wanted to make one of these designs my own. So I just get rid of this and let's just say here, I'm gonna make this a little smaller so it fits. So then now I can just make this smaller and fit everything in so it's in that safe zone. Now that everything is in the safe zone, let me just add a photo here. Let's add Spider-Man, right? Let's say my YouTube channel is everything about Spider-Man, right? So we'll just put here, resize, add Spider-Man here, right? You could make Spider-Man the whole photo and then you can see where it's gonna cut them off, right? So we know it's gonna cut off like that on a mobile device, but at least you get to see Spider-Man, right? Then we'll just do this. We'll go to layer, scroll down to show layers. Let's bring him right behind here. Subscribe. We're gonna move him so he's right in the middle. Now when I download this, you'll see that he's in the safe zone here. All the verbiage is in the safe zone, but his body, if it was on a TV, you'd see the full thing. Now, if it's on a mobile device, you wouldn't see that whole thing. You'll just see the safe zone. And it literally is that easy. Now you have a professional YouTube banner that you can upload very quickly and design it however you'd like. And now you can just do that with the safe zone right there. All right, there you go. It's literally that easy to create a custom YouTube banner for your channel. Comment below with what YouTube channel you're working on and what banner art you're putting together. Is it for a client? Is it for your own channel? Well, I hope that was helpful. If you like the content I'm putting out, like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.